This week we're going to preview USDA's quarterly grain stocks report that will be released on Friday, September 29th. We're also going to take an updated look at crop condition ratings and crop progress. We're going to wrap things up this week looking at ongoing concerns about weak export demand. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the last week of September here, and that means it's time for harvest. Before we talk about that, there's a very important USDA report coming out on Friday, September 29th. It's the quarterly grain stocks report. Let's take a look at a preview of the trade estimates for that report. Now, this will be the carryout for the just completed 22-23 crop year. The average trade estimate is 245 million bushel. You can see back there earlier in September was 250, the last supply-demand estimate, but a fairly wide range here of nearly 70 million bushel in terms of the range of analyst estimates. Part of that may be due to the fact that there's uncertainty about what revisions USDA may or may not make to the 2022 crop size. Look at the range of estimates for the crop size on beans. It's 185 million bushel. 85 million bushel is a wide range on the crop estimates, so that could be a wild card to watch for Friday's report. Let's shift gears now and look at crop condition ratings. Now, the USDA did just decline good to excellent ratings again this week, 2 percentage points to 50% good to excellent. Notice last year at this time we were at 55% good to excellent. We saw some notable declines across the western belt as well as the far eastern corn belt. Let's now take a look at our aggregate crop condition index for beans. It is a season low here as we wrap up the month of September. This will be a key test this year to see how bean yields hold up under the weight of these lower ratings. Let's take a look at soybean harvest now. As we move into October here, on the next 2 weeks on average from September 24th to October 8th, we add about another 26% on bean harvest. So at 12% currently, we'll be pushing 40% by that first week in October nationwide, weather permitting. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends. Now this week, T-storm is off, so we're going to look at the National Weather Service short-term and long-term forecast. We're looking here at September 27th through the October 4th. The heaviest rain over the next 7 days is the eastern corn belt, parts of Indiana, Ohio. It doesn't look like there's going to be much activity there. In contrast, the western belt looks wide open for parts of Iowa as well as Nebraska and parts of the Dakotas. Now let's take a look at an extended forecast but from the National Weather Service for the month of October. The heaviest rainfall, above normal rainfall, you can see here is south of Interstate 80. As we move further north, it's equal chances of above or below normal precip for the month. What about temperatures? In the western belt, you can see there are equal chances of above or below normal temperatures. As we move further east, however, warmer than normal temperatures are forecast. Let's shift gears now to demand and take a look at unshipped export sales. And we've highlighted this before, but we're at a 4-year low in terms of unshipped bean sales. The key factor we want to highlight here is that unshipped sales to China are down 49% from both last year and the 3-year average. So we don't have the demand pull, at least at the moment, that we've had the last few years. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in November soybean futures. Now, November beans, as we tape here on Tuesday, are trading near $13 a bushel. Although that's well below last year, it's considerably above some of these recent years. So we strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. And remember, on Friday morning, September 29th at 11:20 Central Time, we'll have a live YouTube update on the results of the grain stocks report. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.